We will see in this tutorial how to set up real estate properties. We are sitting on the loans screen. Let us bring our loan test that we had set up in a previous tutorial, and notice that the template was changed to mortgages instead of loans, and we had also learned how to set up the template. So let's just revisit this template mortgages, and you will notice that it is linked to properties, and that's why if you go back you will see that it is giving you a warning, no property set, and it is also showing you a tab called property. So let us click on that and let us see the properties. You can set up the property by clicking the fly, and we had already set up a property called test prop or test property. The selling price is basically just for user information, that's what the property was sold for. Maybe you can put $1 million there. There are no other loans on this property. The legal description is given there, and this is the property address. You have got 3 lines for the address, and then you have got the city, province, and the postal code. Now these 3 fields, subdivision, category, and class, these are all user defined fields, and you can set them up the way you would like if you are going to use them. Otherwise you don't have to. So for example, let's take a look at this class and let us see what are different classes. If you click here on the finder, you will see that you have got class 1, 2, 3, and 7, which is Toronto, North York, Durham, and Peel. If you want to set up a new class, say for example 4, what you do is that you click here on the fly, so it'll give you a class setup screen, and then you say 4, and there you could say Markham. And so we have set up a new class, and what you can do is you can change it here, so it will give you Markham. Okay, what type of property is it? Let's go there, and did we miss this tab? Oh yes. On this property we don't have any units. For example, if it's an apartment building, you could put the number of apartments, and if it's some other type of rental unit, rental building with so many townhouses, you could put that. The purchase price, we purchased it for $4,250,000, and it was purchased on this date. The property annual taxes are $25,000, and we don't have any taxes in arrears. Monthly condominium fees, if applicable. It's not a condominium, so we don't put any fee there. And then you go to type. It is basically an empty lot. There are see Appendix B for further details. So somewhere there's a document which gives you the details of this vacant lot. Appraisal. Did we do any appraisal? Oh, first of all, the zoning is appropriate. No, the zoning has to be verified. Appraisal has been done. Yes, the appraisal has been done, and it was done on 07/12/2014, and it has been done by Boxwood Property Appraisers Limited. Now all these different parties, they are set up through other parties. We will learn how to set up other parties in another tutorial, but for the time being, let's go and take a look at the record for this Boxwood. And Boxwood, the party type is P, which stands for appraiser, and the party ID has been set up as Boxwood, and the name of the appraiser is Boxford Property Appraisers Limited, and you can put in the address and everything there. It has been left out blank. So, and it was appraised for $5 million. Construction, oh yes, in fact we are planning to build our high rise on it, and the projected value will be $20 million. How did we arrive at it? You have got a remarks field, and all the remarks have been put how we arrived at it. Then there's also a tab for notes, and you can put as many notes as you want. If there are any outstanding loans, they will show up here. This property does not have any outstanding loan, so we are going to use that. So fine, we have basically set up the property.